Ravi, a 30-year-old engineer, boarded a night train from Mumbai to Delhi. The train was not too crowded and he got a window seat. As the train started moving, he focused on his book. At around 12 a.m., the train suddenly stopped at a small station called Shantipur Junction. Ravi checked his ticket. This station was not listed anywhere. The platform outside was completely deserted, no announcements, no passengers, just silence. Suddenly, an old woman in a white sari boarded his compartment and sat across from him. Her face was calm, but there was something unsettling about her. Trying to start conversation, Ravi asked, "Where are you going?" The woman smiled slightly and said, "To where this train is truly meant to go, but why are you here?" Ravi felt a chill run down his spine. He looked out the window. The station was surrounded by a thick, airy fog. The trees outside were bending unnaturally, as if whispering secrets. Suddenly, the lights inside the train flickered. Ravi looked outside again, and what he saw made his heart race. The train was no longer on the tracks, it was floating in mid-air. Terrified, he turned back to the woman. Her expression had changed. Her eyes, they were now completely white. The woman spoke again, but this time her voice echoed strangely. "You were never meant to be here, but now you are a passenger of this train forever." Ravi's mind raced. What if I got on the wrong train? Suddenly, it all clicked. The real train was supposed to leave from platform 3, but he had boarded from platform 4. This train is not real. It is a ghost train. Ravi desperately searched for a way out. Then he remembered something from his childhood. His grandmother once told him, "If you ever feel lost in the darkness, call your own name 3 times and you will find your way back." Shaking with fear, Ravi closed his eyes and whispered, "Ravi, Ravi, Ravi." Suddenly, he felt a strong jolt, like he was being pulled backward. He opened his eyes. He was lying on a bench at a real platform. The station announcer's voice echoed, "The Delhi Express departing from platform 3 will leave soon. All passengers please board." Ravi gazed. The ghost train was gone. Trembling, he reached into his pocket and found an old yellowed train ticket. Moral of the story: sometimes small mistakes can lead us into places we were never meant to be, but with the right awareness and courage, we can always find our way back.